Hello students, in this video we are going to cover question number 15 MCQ 15, and this is the last video guys because I already covered the working part, writing part, and this is the last question of MCQ. What is the question? Apply Newton's law of motion and or energy conservation principle to analyze circular motion in a vertical or horizontal plane. Okay, and we need to focus on this part. The figure shows a rider stuck on the wall without touching the floor in the barrel of fun at a carnival. Which diagram correctly shows the forces acting on the rider? We need to understand what should be the top view. Let's say if you are here and if you are watching down, then what will happen? There is a girl. Okay, so one force towards the center, yes or no? Towards the center, do you understand? Okay, towards the center. One force is upward, that should be the normal force. One should be downward, which should be the mg. Because the body is already touched here with the surface and the girl cannot cross out, so there is no force. Okay guys, so we have all these diagrams, so A is your correct option. Clear? Okay, now just move to the next question. What is the question guys? Just read carefully. This is something very interesting. Okay, what he said: as per the figure shows the free body diagram for the forces acting on a passenger in a roller coaster ride car at the top of the loop. What is the position? Top position. Okay, where the normal force exerted by the track has a magnitude smaller than that of the gravitational force. What does it mean? That the normal force is less than gravitational force, that is Fg. Or can I say normal is less than mg? Is it fine? Okay. If the speed of the car is, velocity is given, if the speed of the car is 7 meter per second, velocity is 7 meter per second. Okay, then what we need to find? What does the radius? Okay, we need to find the radius of the loop have to be for that free body diagram to be correct. Okay, see, whenever this type of question will come, what you need to understand, we need to compare. As we know that on the top view, when body is on the top, what you need to remember? We need to remember that Fc should be equals to N plus mg, and here N should be equals to 0. For the top view, if N is 0, we will feel weightless. We will feel weightlessness. Okay, so if N is 0, can I say Fc is equals to mg? What is Fc? mv square over r, which is equals to mg. Clear? Okay, now m and m cancel, so what should be the velocity? V square is equals to rg. V is equals to root rg. Do you understand this part? Okay, so what is the velocity now? Solve it. V is equals to root of radius. Radius we need to find out. Okay, so if we need to find out the radius, so can I say, I will use this equation, r is equals to v square over g. So place the value, r is equals to v square, 7 square divided by 9.81. So r is equals to 5 meter. Clear guys? But what he said in this case, as per this question, he said n is less than fg, n not equals to 0, not equals to 0. So just try to understand. We have fc is equals to n plus mg, both are in same direction, yes or no? n plus mg. So can I say, let's say your mg is 10. Let's say n is your 5. So now what will happen? Before and after, you have to understand two cases, huh? Here, before, your fc is only mg, so can I say fc is equals to 10, yes or no? But now, this is now your fc is n plus mg, can I say 5 plus 10, which is 15? It means fc increase, and the value is mv square over r. So if fc increase, it means radius should be decreased. Radius should be decreased. We already find what is the value of radius, 5. It means now new radius is less than 5 meter. Clear, guys? Less than 5 meter. So the answer is A. Clear? Okay. Now need to read and need to understand this question. What he said in problem 9.1. In problem 9.1, what speed the roller coaster, guys, you need to focus on that. What he is looking for, he is looking for the speed at the particular situation. Okay, so what speed does the roller coaster car have to enter the bottom of the loop in order to produce the feeling of weightlessness? So, guys, what is the meaning of weightlessness? You need to focus on this part. Huh? Weightlessness means he is entering at the bottom part. He is entering at the bottom of the part. Okay, and we need to understand the weightlessness. So, let's say the body is at here. So, can I say energy conservation? Energy at the bottom should be equals to energy at the top. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Energy at the bottom. Can I say the total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy equals to kinetic energy at the top plus potential energy at the top. Clear? Understand? Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out the velocity. Okay, so at the bottom, half mv square plus mgh bottom equals to half mv square plus mg height at top. Okay, you need to understand, if the body is here, what is the height at the bottom? Can I say 0? And what is the height at the top? Height at the top, can I say 2r? 2 times of radius. Yes or no? Okay, so half mv square plus 0 equals half the velocity at the bottom, velocity at the top. Clear? Okay, so half m velocity at the top square mg 2 times of r. Clear? Okay, now few things which you need to understand. We know velocity at the top. Even in the previous question I solved, because weightlessness, okay, I will explain you this one. So in the case of weightlessness, we know Fc is equals to n plus mg. If you have weightlessness, n is equals to 0, Fc is equals to mg. So mv square over r is equals to mg. Cancel them, m and m cancel. So v square is equals to rg. Yes or no? This is the velocity at the top. Velocity at the top. Okay, so we have velocity at the top, half. Okay, m. Take the m common here. Half vb square is equals to, take the m common, half vt square plus g times of 2r. Clear? I take the m common, huh? M and m cancel. Okay, so half vb square is equals to half, what is vt? Okay, rg plus 2gr. Clear? So can I solve? VB is equals to, once you solve it, you will get root 5GR. You will get root 5GR. Fine. So solve it. So can I say velocity at the bottom is equals to root 5, gravity is 9.81 and your R is 5. So velocity at the bottom is your 15.7 meter per second. Meter per second. Clear, guys? Okay, I just want to add something for you here, and so that you can remember three things. In the circle, just take three positions: bottom, here middle point. Okay, let's say this is midpoint, VM, V bottom, and V top. I'll give you the direct formulas, so that you can solve in your exam. Root 5GR, the velocity is root 3GR, and the velocity is root GR. These are the three, you can use them directly. Clear? This is very, very, very important for your understanding, that these are the formulas which we are going to use it. Clear? Okay, now this is something very, very interesting. What speed must the roller coaster of solved problem 9.1 at the top of the loop? Okay, we know the top of the loop. What should be the speed? Root GR. Middle, root 3GR. And at the bottom, we have root 5GR. Of the top, to accomplish the same feeling if the radius of the loop is doubled. Okay, this is something interesting, that what will happen if the radius becomes double. Okay, you just need to place the values and solve it, Let's say we know V top. Okay, take this question in two parts, before and after. Before and after. Before. So what is the speed? Vt is equals to root GR. After. So what is the change? Now your R2 becomes 2 times of radius. Clear? Because R1 is your R, G1 is your G, Vt is equals to V. Okay, now place the value. V top is equals to root of 2RG. So can I bring root 2 outside, and can I say V top? Top 2, top 1. So can I say V new velocity is root 2 times of velocity top 1. Clear? Understand? Okay. Now we have the next question. Now the question is, what is the apparent weight? Okay, what is the meaning of apparent weight? Guys, this is something very, very interesting. You should know what is the meaning of apparent weight. So apparent weight means the net force. You can say FC. What is the apparent weight? FC, which is generally called mv square over r. But once you solve in terms of mg, I just need to solve this equation in terms of mg to find out the apparent weight of a rider on a roller coaster at the bottom of the loop. This is something very interesting. Okay, at the bottom of the loop, what we know. Okay, let's say this is a circle we have, and we know at the bottom we have a one factor n and we have one factor mg. So what is fc? N minus mg. Yes or no? Okay, at the bottom, what we know, other thing, we know the velocity at the bottom is root 5GR. Yes or no? Okay, now place the values. So what is FC? M, velocity at bottom square divided by R, equals N minus mg. So we can find out both the values N and the FC. Okay, so solve. M, what is VB? Root 5GR square, 5GR divided by R, which is equals to N minus mg. R and R cancel, so 5 times of mg is equals to N minus mg. Okay, from here I understand two things. What is this? Fc is equals to 5 mg? Yes or no? Okay. And what is the value of normal force? That will become 5 mg plus mg, that is equals to 6 mg. So what I told you guys, there are the two things what you need to understand. First thing, Fc, that is your apparent weight. That is your apparent weight. So apparent weight becomes your 5 mg. What is your normal, which is going upward? The normal weight, which is your 6 mg, and the downward weight, which is equals to your mg. So now you understand what is the meaning of apparent weight. Just try to understand. Let's say this is a circle. A body is trying to go up with 6 mg. One is going to trying to go down with the mg. So what should be the net weight? Net weight, or you can say which is equals to apparent weight, which is equals to apparent weight, which is Fc 5 mg. Clear, guys? Okay, hope you understand this one. Clear, guys? Okay. So guys, with the help of this question, we finished all the questions of the MCQ. And so from my side, I said, guys, very all the best, and do lots of practice so that during the exam you feel comfortable and you can solve all the questions in a very easy way. Just what you need to remember, that where is the position of the body, is at the bottom, at the top, or in the middle. According to that, just apply the value of velocity and solve it. Okay guys, now you understand the apparent weight also, the real weight also, the downward weight also. Okay, so guys, till then, take care, bye. And if you have any doubt, you can just send me a message in the group, in the Telegram group. I can just discuss and I will revert you back as soon as possible. Okay guys, till then, take care, bye.